Hey everybody, how are you? I actually received my embellishment box back from Kat. I'm going to link everybody below, but can't wait to see it. Oh my goodness. Alright, I don't know who it came from. Oh, how pretty. Oh, this looks like, oh, it's elastic. It's a belly band for the embellishment box. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. Happy mail. Happy mail, happy mail, happy mail. Oh, I think I forgot. Okay, she sent a IC card. Trying to think, were we supposed to do that? Because I don't think I did that. I didn't do that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm not going to read out all her information, but I'm trying to think. This is from Crafting with the Heart. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is from Crafting with the Heart. I'm going to link her channel below. This is a tiny star. Can you see that? Hi, Toulouse. Psst, psst, psst. Come on up, Toulouse. Toulouse is here, my cat. Oh. Toulouse is here. You want to say hi to everybody? Hi, Toulouse. When Toulouse comes to chat, I call it Toulouse time. Hi, Toulouse. He doesn't always come to chat. So when he starts meowing at me, I have to give him some lovin'. This is Vinny's cat. Vinny brought him home from college. Hi, Toulouse. Hi, Toulouse. Toulouse has been coming home with ticks on him. Even though we had the best flea collar on him possible, this goofball always finds a way to get stuck in it. Don't ask. Okay, sorry for the little loving moment. Okay. I'm actually loving this. This is all sequin. I really have to get into this. I do. Oh my God. Look at how cute that is. It's got glitter glue. Oh, I would love to know how she did that. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a butterfly. That's gorgeous. Wow. Huh. Handmade by Gloria, Crafting with the Heart. Loving that too. Look at how cute this trim is. I got some bling falling out of it. Oh, look at the unicorn and the rainbow. She hand painted this. And it's almost like embossed. Imagine. Oh, how beautiful. I want to open this carefully. Oh. Do what you love. Oh, and that's adorable. Oh, I can't wait to make something out of this. I want to put the bling back that fell out. Okay, so in here are these really cute wooden embellishments. These are adorable. Some heart buttons, loving that. Some beads. Some more bling. Just a bunch of little bling. I'm loving that. There's a rainbow. Oh, how cute. I know you guys can't see. Oh, how. Oh, I'm loving this. That is adorable. I gotta remember to do this stuff. I really do. Obviously, I'm thinking this is unicorn theme paper. Look at all this beautiful bling. Oh, that's pretty ribbon. Unicorn. Oh my gosh, look at that. Iridescent. Oh, and she sealed it with washi that says unicorn. Great job, Gloria. Oh, look at this. Oh, they're like little My Little Ponies, but unicorn. I know, you can't see. Look at everything that she put in here. Ah! Oh my gosh. This came out so stinking cute. These are, as I dropped it, hold on. These are almost like, oh, they're cardboard stickers. Loving this. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm dropping all the stickers. I don't even remember what mine was. Oh, how sad. I think mine was Disney. Oh, that's pretty paper. That's very pretty paper. Wow, this is going to be fun to do. Alright, I can't wait to see the crafts everybody makes with this. Great job, everybody. Kat, Jan, thanks for hosting this. Oh, and this is all the different washies she gave me. Look at the unicorns. Hold on, hold on. Ah. This is really pretty. Oh, this is my favorite. Look at that. Alright, this is from Gloria. Gotta close it up. She did an amazing job. Amazing job. So, if you don't know who Gloria is, Crafting with the Heart, I'm going to link her channel below. Alright, everybody, have a great day. Bye.